I've been working here since 1983, and every day I come here, I see the botanical garden in a different way. The Botanical Garden in Rio de Janeiro has a living plant collection, and within it, the Arboretum is the area where cultivated plants are located and where visitors are received. However, the garden is much larger than just the Arboretum, extending over an area of 137 hectares. It contains 2,800 distinct species, both native and foreign, and about 22,800 individual plants spread throughout the Arboretum. The garden is currently focused on research involving both Brazilian and foreign species. My name is Nadruz, and I'm the coordinator of the Living Plants collection at the Botanical Garden in Rio de Janeiro. I've been here for 42 years. In this garden, our landscapers know exactly how to work in this special environment. These gardeners use the most modern equipment to provide the best care for the plants. The garden offers clean air, good water quality, a calming landscape, and low noise level. Features that benefit both plants and visitors. Using battery equipment helps avoid the emission of polluting gases, supporting the garden's commitment to clean air and a healthy environment. Switching from fuel-powered to battery-powered tools improves air quality in the garden.
My name is Luis Carlos. I work in the landscaping team and have been at the Botanical Garden for about 8 years. I've always worked with STIHL equipment, which we use almost daily, making it very important for our work. Innovative battery-powered tools make it much easier to maintain trees and work at ground level. They're also easier for the operator to handle, requiring less physical effort with no pull start needed. We often work all day with the battery-powered leaf blowers. You just have to press a button. They are simpler to use and just as effective. This is very handy. We don't need a separate battery for each tool. One battery can be used across all tools, which is very convenient.
When visitors come to the gardens, they can learn about all the different flowers, how big they can become, about their fruits, how and when they fall down. Also, they learn about how many epiphytes and parasites the trees have, and what's the positive and negative aspects of it.
For us, it's very important that people keep visiting this garden to give it life. Otherwise, it becomes a quiet, empty place, and that's not what we want.
Every day in the gardens is totally different. It's always a surprise.